Friends, in today's video we'll see how to add a checkbox for this tasks. For that, first we have to go to the developer tab. If you are not having developer tab, go to the files option and then you can add this developer tab to this menu bar. Once after going to this developer tab, go to insert and then add the checkbox here. You can copy this and you can paste it multiple times. Once this is done, just right click on the checkbox and format control and just give the cell reference to J16. Once this is done, now when you click on this checkbox, you can see the cell reference what we have given, it is turning to true. Now once if I uncheck this checkbox, everything is turning to false. Now here I will give if condition, if J16 is equals to true, then done, else this task is pending. Now once if I click on this checkbox, you can see the status is changing to done, else it is pending. Now you can hide this column. You can add even conditional formatting for this done and pending status. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.